Welcome back to another episode of Howell Farms. A day that started out hunting with family turned out to be a hunt that me and my wife will never forget. All right, the day started out Friday morning at 4:30. Me, my brother, and my dad were gonna go hunting. So I went and picked him up, and we went out to the same place that have the mineral site and the duck slough, and we went and sat in the one big shooting house. Now, this shooting house is a 10 by 10 shed, 12 foot in the air. It's got plenty of room. So we all decided, hey, let's go sit in one shooting house and spend some time together and try to get a deer together, which we've never done. Sadly, we didn't see anything. We did manage to eat breakfast and spend a lot of time together and have a lot of fun, but a coyote ran out, and that's the only thing we saw, so we didn't get a deer. But we went back to the truck, and the landowner asked me, hey, do you guys want to come back tonight? We were like, no, we got stuff to do. I said, well, let me call my wife and see if my daughter wants to go, because I know we've been talking about trying to take her, and so we decided to take her that evening. So we went home, took a nap, and came back out.
So we went out this afternoon back to the same place, but in a different shooting house. Abigail is super excited. She's gone before last year with her dad hunting. Of course, they didn't see anything. If you know hunting with a 4-year-old, it's a little frustrating. But Abigail enjoyed it. We packed a bunch of snacks. That's all she wanted to do was eat, and Nate made some hot cocoa, so she enjoyed that. And it was about 3 o'clock, I think it was, and Nate seen a deer walk out on the wood line.
Oh, you can get your hand up. No, there's a deer right here. There's a deer right here. No. Yes. I can push. Put the gloves on. You're okay. You see it? Do not move. Do not say a word. I'm being serious. Get out this window right here, but don't say nothing. Yes, ma'am. I'm being serious. Okay.
We kind of waited for her to walk in front of us, but that kind of didn't happen, so me and Abigail had to scoot over almost in the corner of the shooting house so Abigail could see it.
Me and you can swap. You ready? You ready? Daddy got it!
Tyler!
Got it! Yay!
Okay.
Shh. We're gonna sit and wait a little longer, okay? Oh, she got up and she's stumbling.
What?
She's dead. Shh. I know, but she got up, but she's struggling. She's dead. Alright, we're gonna sit right here and wait for another one, okay?
Okay. Whew. Was
that cool?
Yeah!
Shh. Alright, we still gotta be quiet, okay? In case another one walks out.
Abigail got to see her daddy shoot a deer for the first time, and she was super excited about it. And we got to, we sat for a little bit longer till dark just in case another one came out, and I had the opportunity to shoot, but we didn't see anything, so we ended up walking out, finding her, and like I said, Abigail was so excited. So there's pictures of us that we got to take with the deer, and yeah, so that was awesome. So always making memories with Abigail like that is a blessing to us. So. Oh yeah, here she was.
Here's her blood.
Yeah.
Here's her blood.
All right, well, where'd she go?
I don't know.
Go tell him where she went.
There she is.
Yeah. Oh, Daddy got her good.
You want to touch her?
Go over and pick her ears up.
Go pick her ears.
She's dead, baby.
She ain't gonna bother you.
That's soft. She's soft.
You drag her out so you can see her.
Here, come back down here.
Look.
What? I see her.
You wanna take a picture with her?
Okay. Got her. Got it. Okay, that was the first. Let me see. It's so bloody.
Then you gotta get a shot. Abigail said, I got blood on me. That line over there.
Yeah.
That's where to go.
Let me go inside, Daddy. I'll go inside. Maybe they're just watching TV. I want to go inside. Mom say, okay. You got the deer. Okay. I see her. She's pretty. Next time I'll see you in the woods.